my angels. I'm Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another Techniques Tuesday. Now, as I finish off Hispanic Heritage Month, I have two techniques that I think you will find very helpful. Now, these two techniques are not only short, quick, but they're easy to make. As a matter of fact, one of them you can find in the supermarket in the Latin cuisine aisle, I believe it is, or specialty aisle, and that's the Goya green Sofrito. So come on, it's only a short video. Let's get to it. Let me take you into the kitchen and get started. Let's go, let's get into the kitchen. Tip, use Annatto oil in Caribbean and Latin dishes, rice, poultry, and seafood. Add the oil to a 2-quart sauce pot. Heat over low heat. Add the achiote seeds and stir. Cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. When the oil gets to a rich orange color, it is ready. Place sauce pot in the refrigerator to cool about 10 minutes. When oil cooled completely, remove from the refrigerator. Strain into a pourable container like a liquid measuring cup. Pour Annatto oil from pourable container into a food service squeeze bottle. Tip, squeeze bottles are available at Michael's or Party City stores. Store as you would any other oil. Use a blender, food processor, or mortar and pestle to process ingredients. Add onions to picture. Next, add Cubanelle peppers to picture. Add the green bell peppers to the picture. Then the garlic. And lastly, add the cilantro leaves. Add the water to the ingredients in the picture. You may need more water later, but play it by sight. Place picture on the blender base, put lid on blender picture, and prepare to puree. Start by pulsing, then blend on medium until desired consistency. Check consistency with a spoon. Store in a covered container in the refrigerator until ready to use. It will keep up to 2 weeks. Now, didn't I tell you that would be quick and easy? I thought you thought I was lying to you, huh? Well, if you like this video, be sure you give me a like. Be sure you share with anyone you know who can use it. And please come back and see one of my other videos while I'm cooking something. I'm gonna make something different this next time. Stay tuned. I'll see you next time, angels. Hey, don't forget, be sure to be a blessing to someone today. And as always, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I will see you next time.